Hello children. Okay, let's begin with your next maths topic, that is measurement of weight. So till now we have studied what? How to conversion from kilometer to meter, meter to kilometer, that everything comes under length. Okay, now we'll study about weight. So where you all have seen the weight, you all have been to any shop, okay, or to buy a vegetable, you will go. What you will say in the shop? You will go. What you will sell? Give me a 1 kg of sugar. Correct? What you will say? 1 kg of sugar. Okay. What he will do? He will put some weight on the weighing machine, and another side what he will do? 1 kg of sugar. He will measure through the what? 1 kg of weight. Okay. Similarly, you will go to for buying vegetable. You will what? Ask the potato. Half kg potato. Correct? Half kg potato. What he will do? He will put some weight on the weighing machine, and another side he will put potato. Correct? He will measure through the what? Kg weight, which is the unit we have used to measure the weight is kilogram or gram. Okay, which are the units we will use to measure the weight is kilogram or gram. In the length, what we have studied, measurement of length are kilometer, meter and millimeter. These are the measurement of length. Okay, these are the measurement of length. But measurement of weight is what? Kilogram or gram. See now, kilogram. Kilogram is what? Whenever we are measuring the quantity in a bigger, okay, in the bigger quantity, we will measure that quantity in kilogram. How we will write kilogram? The shortcut, this is K and small g. Capital K and small g is for kilogram. And whenever we are measuring the quantities in a bigger quantity, that time we will use kilogram. That is kg. And the next one is gram. I said two measurements of weight are there. One is kilogram and another one is gram. Gram, whenever we will use lighter quantity. Okay, whenever we are using the object or measured it the lighter, that time we will use gram. How we will write gram? Only small g. This is the indication of gram, small g. And when we write kilogram, bigger quantity, measuring in the bigger quantity. How we will write that? K, capital K and small g. This is, we call it as kilogram, and this is gram. Now, this is very important one measurement they have. Okay, one very important measurement they have given here, means it is a standard measurement, that is 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. This is very important, keep it in your mind. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. I'll repeat once again, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So now we'll study some example of what I'll show you here. Weight like 500 gram. Okay, 500 gram, 1 kg, 50 kg. Okay, these are the some examples for measurement of weight. Now I will tell you all how to convert conversion of units of weight. I will tell you conversion. Okay, we'll study conversion from kilogram to gram. That is kilogram to gram. Kilogram. I told you. Kg means kilogram to gram. How will we convert it? Example, I want to convert 3 kg to gram. How much it is? We know the standard weight, what measurement, that is 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So look at here, 3 kg means how much gram I want to calculate. So what you do, 3 kg is equals to 1 kg is 1000 gram. So what you do, 3 into 1000 gram. That is nothing but 3 into 1000 is 3 ones are 3 and remaining zeros you have to write over here. Therefore 3 kg is equals to 3000 gram. Okay. To convert kg to gram, okay, what you have to do is, how much ever it is, see now, 28 kg means how much gram? Simply add 3 zeros. Whatever the number they have given, simply add to the last 3 zeros. 28, 1, 2, 3. This comes to gram. So one more I take 59. 59 kg means what? Just add 3 zeros. Like, see now, 58. Here there kg, if I will add 3 zeros and just write gram. Okay? Understood? Yes. Now one more example. Convert 7 kg. Okay? I want to 7 kg to how much it is in the gram. What to do? 1 kg is equals to what? 1000 gram. Similarly, 7 kg is equals to 7 into 1000 gram. That is nothing but 7000 gram. Therefore, 7 kg is equals to 7000 gram. Okay? Understood? Simply what you have to do? Just add 3 zeros to the last. Then that value is converted into gram. Whatever the bigger value is, it is 589 kg if I want to convert. If the very big number, if it is there also, then what you have to do? Just add 3 zeros to the last. 5, 8, 9. I want to convert it into gram now. So add 3 zeros at the last. Then it is converted into kg to gram. Now, see now, if only 1 kg value is there, okay. The next one is, if I want to convert, like one they have given 5 kg, okay, and 352 gram. 352 gram. I want to convert it into gram. The value is, one is kg and another one is gram. The whole thing I want to convert it into gram. How I will convert now? First you have to convert 5 kg into gram. That how I will calculate now? 5 kg, 352 gram. This is equal to, now first value is what? First value is 5 kg. So 5 kg, how I will convert it to gram? 5 into 1000. Why? 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. 5 into 1000 gram plus, okay, plus how many gram it is? 352 gram. See, keep it in your mind that while adding two measurements, both the measurements should be same. If this side the gram is there, then another side also gram. 1 kg and another measurement is gram, you cannot add. So what you have to do? First you have to convert from kg to gram, then finally you add both the measurement of weight. This is 5000 gram plus 352 gram. This is nothing but 5352 gram. Understood? Okay. So therefore 5 kg 352 gram is equal to 5352 gram. Now last one, to convert, now we have converted from kilogram to gram. While converting kilogram to gram, just you have to add 3 zeros. Just you have to add 3 zeros to the last. Now while reverse converting from gram to kilogram, what you have to do now is just divide by 1000. See, now remember, from kg to gram, add 3 zeros at the last. From kg to gram. While gram to kg, that time we have to do divide by 1000. Divide by 1000. Example I will show you now. If I want to convert 7000 gram to kg, then what I will do? 7000 gram is equals to 7000 divided by 1000. Whenever I divide by the same, at the last if I have the same zeros, then cancel all the zeros. Then how many remaining? 7 kg. Okay, therefore 7000 gram is equals to 7 kg. Understood? Okay. Now one more example I will show you. If I have 7589 gram, means how much kg it is? How much kg? How are you to see now? Just what you have to write. Write the same number what they have given. 7, 5, 8, 9. In this, whatever the first number is there, just this is what kg. And the remaining 3 number, this is constant gram. So what how I will write down? First number is kg. So 7 kg 589 gram. 589 gram. Okay? Understood? One more I will show you over here. 8928. This is first number is kg. Another 3 number is gram. So 8 kg 928 gram. Understood? Okay. Try to solve skill drill 9.6, page number 125. I will send you the key answers afterwards.